What is going on, guys? It's RdnRacing. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Now guys, today we've got a very unique model from PopRace, as you guys can see right here. But here's the catch. It does not say what car this is. It does not say what model this is. But this is actually, I believe, a Porsche. And this kind of has a very Gucci vibe going on. So I actually got this from my friend Sam Wong. So message out to him for hooking us up with this very interesting model from PopRace, and we're gonna dive right straight into it because the box is, there's nothing in the box, guys. So you gotta open to see what car it is, and there you have it. It's a very classic looking Porsche, and I gotta say right off the bat, it's a very nice thing. There are not much details for me to talk about, but there is a few things I want to point out, which I think makes this car that much interesting, that much cool. So first off, look at that paint job. It is glistening under the flash, and I hope the camera is doing justice, because even though it's, you know, it's a basic silver color, it's a silver paint job, right? I think they did a brilliant job with it. I mean, the way it looks right here, just check it out. It's brilliantly done. And look at that side mirror right there. It's a very small but very nicely done side mirror. Of course, you got to be careful with side mirrors. I always tell you guys that, right? You got to be careful with the side mirrors, and that's very nice. A very little subtle little detail. And obviously the wheels, they spin amazingly well. These 5-spoke rims, they look very nice, very old school vibe going on, which obviously is the whole idea about this car. And this is a very old school Porsche, right? And then if you look at the front of the vehicle, obviously we've got plastic headlight temples right there, very reflective indicator light right there as well, and the amazing stripe, the green stripe that goes from the front all the way to the rear of the vehicle, and that ties up with the interior. Check the bucket seats out. It's been a while since I've seen a very nicely done interior, very iconic interior, and just look at that. I mean, the paint sample, it's a perfect match between the stripes on the car and the seats, and that's what I wanted to show you. I think that's one of the reasons, if not the only reason, why this car is insanely done, insanely amazing. I'm a huge fan of this already. And besides these guys, there's nothing else for me to talk about. It's gonna be a very short video, but I just wanted to show you guys the bucket seats, and obviously the left side of the vehicle exactly the same. The wheels spin amazingly well. Once again, you guys know me, it's always the same. And in the rear, we've got a dual exhaust right in the middle, at the bottom, in the middle. Obviously we've got the very subtle looking spoiler right there. We've got your rear view lights, and obviously a license plate as well. And honestly, she's quite a girthy girl. I'm just checking it out. She's quite girthy, not gonna lie. Obviously rubber tires, always an amazing thing done with PopRace. And then if you look at the base of the vehicle, not much details. Actually, there isn't any details at all here, but I assume with this, it kind of shows you like the bottom plate, right? So it kind of makes sense to like hide the details, because it's all like beneath or like on top of this plate right there, if you get what I mean. And obviously you've got a whole exhaust setup at the rear, which I think is a nice bit. I kind of appreciate, and you know, the fact that they did it in grey to kind of match, because obviously when you display it in sideways, you guys can actually see the entire thing below the car, which I mean, that's very cool. And honestly, I'm a huge fan of this car. You guys know recently I did a unboxing of the rough CTR anniversary from D Model. They do custom works, and obviously we've got this as well. Very nicely done. I think these are gonna go together in the collection. I'll show you guys to the end of the video where I display this, but just like that, guys, we're gonna do a few rolling shots, and I'll see you at the end. And just so that you guys come to the end of the video, I hope you guys had an amazing time. I should have amazing time unboxing this car. It is going to go insanely well in my collection. So if you guys know, I actually had it. I I got a new display case here. Obviously, you guys remember all the cars here. You guys have seen all the videos. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to have a separate column for the Porsches. So I'm gonna ever so gently put this right here in the second row, because what I'm gonna put in the first row is I'm gonna bring this RUF, the RUF CTR anniversary. I'm gonna put that right here. Just check that out. Brilliant. Both are amazing models. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bring down all my Porsches. So you got a Porsche R30 as well. I'm going to put that below too. So I'm going to like try to just bring all the Porsches down, just to have a little bit more awesomeness in it, just to, you know, bring it all together. And obviously we're going to always try to figure this out. We've got more cars here, more videos coming to you sooner than anything. But just like, I guess this video is over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.